Hey everybody out there, Coach Dan Long with Get Lean in 12, and today we are gonna go over some odd exercises, 3 to be exact. And I have Veronica here with me today.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so these odd exercises that we're gonna show you, okay, they are for a flat stomach and or you guys out there that want the 6-pack of abs. These exercises, they're odd, but they work. And you should be moving differently if you're over the age of 35, like Veronica and I. Can you believe that Veronica is actually almost 50? Yes, and she has a great son, and I am 45 years old, and we're here to inspire you today to help you get the dream body that you desire. Now, before we get started, there's a link up here. Don't click it, don't look at it, don't touch it, because we have some exercises that are odd, 3 that we're gonna do right now. Now, the first one's called an accordion crunch. So come on this side, yep, there you go. So the first one is an accordion crunch. With this exercise, your whole body is gonna go in and out just like an accordion. So she's laying all the way back. Don't put your hands on your head, just put them by the side like you're gonna act like you're gonna grab onto the back of your neck. I don't want you to hurt your neck, okay? Now, she's gonna raise the legs, they're nice and straight. When you start position, just off the ground, then you're gonna raise your scapula off the ground, and then you're gonna bring the knees into your stomach and you're gonna crunch. Now, what's important is when you go into this position, all the air should come out of your stomach, and then you breathe back in the nose. So, out, breathe in the nose, in, breathe out the mouth. Contract those ab muscles, trust me. This is going to be a killer and it works really well. But remember, don't put your hands on your neck and just raise the back of your back up to your scapula, which is the bone right in the center of your back. And then that's your first exercise. Okay, great job, by the way.
Thank you.
Second exercise is going to be a windshield wiper. Now, windshield wiper is your hands down by your side. Bring your knees up into 90 degrees, just like so. And then what's very important is to hold your breath when you're gonna go into position, which is down. Remember, exertion is always the hardest part of the exercise, and insertion is the easier part of the exercise. So right now, the hardest part of the exercise is when she's gonna bring her knees down, close to the ground, just like this, and then to the other side. Now, one thing I want you to do is keep this at 90 degrees, right? So that side, yep, and then back to this side. So this is a windshield wiper, just like on your car. When a windshield wiper goes left and it goes right. Try to keep your legs at 90 degrees bent at the knees and bring it down as far as you can and then bring it back up. Remember, exertion is the hardest part of the exercise. That's when you exhale, okay? This is your windshield wiper. Great job. Next one, hurts, doesn't it?
Yes, it burns.
Yes. Next one is gonna be, yeah, nobody said it was gonna be easy. The next one's gonna be a Russian twist. The Russians built this out, they made this happen, they invented it, but we love it, and it's like you're using a ball. Now, you don't have to have a ball, but if you do, at home, you can use a medicine ball, you can use a dumbbell, or you can do like Veronica's gonna do here today, and she's gonna act like she has the ball, because you can do this in your living room, your garage, or on the ground in your gym, it's up to you. First is gonna be 75 degrees on your back, okay? Bring in the feet are flat on the floor. Pretend you have that ball and you're gonna go left and you're gonna go right. You're gonna go left and you're gonna go right. Now, how long would you do this for? If you're a if you're a beginner, okay? If you're a beginner, try this for 30 seconds. If you're advanced, you can go 45 seconds to a solid minute. Each one of these exercises, I want you to do 3 to 4 rounds and then switch to the next exercise. Remember, 3 odd exercises that you can use to define that nice V-line down below, get those obliques to pop, and get the dream body that you desire. Nice job. Awesome job. You're very welcome. Thank you for being here with me. And Dan, everybody out there thanks you too. They really work, guys. And listen, if you use these exercises, and if you're moving properly because you're over the age of 35, like us, you're gonna get the dream body you desire, but you have to be using the specific protocol that is geared for your hormones. Because if you're like us, your hormones start to go south and belly fat starts to accumulate because the hormones are not in line. You have to use specific movements like we're showing you here, and I have a ton more, and I have a specific system that took years to develop called the Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution. Now, before you go there, if you love what we're doing here for you today and you want more, do us a favor, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share, down in the comments below, put a thank you with 2 exclamation marks. We love that because it pumps us up and it makes us want to do more, because when we come to the gym specifically to film these kind of videos for you, we want to know that the people out there in the world, which right now the Over 40 Ab Nation is over 300,000 people strong because of people like you. So if you use this system that I'm introducing you to at this link, please down in the comments below, give us some information, share it with the world on how you're getting results from this exact system. So if you're looking for that dream body, it's your turn. Click this link up here. It'll take you to the Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution, where you're not only gonna see me, 45 years old, living with my dream body, you're gonna see my wife. She's 41, 3 kids. You're gonna see Sean, my partner and awesome great friend that's 47 years old, 6-pack abs, ripped grandpa, and his wife, 58 years old, her name is Karen. She's shocking doctors, beating colon cancer with this exact system. Over 40 Ab and Flat Belly Solution. Get more moves, get the specific protocols you need to get that dream body. Grab that dress that's in the back of the closet, those jeans you've been hiding in that drawer for all these years. It's time for you to get that dream body today. Click this link up here, hit that like, hit that heart, hit that share. Thanks so much for stopping on this feed, and thank you, Veronica, one more time for showing them these awesome odd exercises. Have an amazing day and keep going strong.